Do you see that? Why is it that color?
It's probably just a dirty tank.
Oh, something fell.
Are your hands clean? Maybe that's the filter.
Oh.
So that's probably what fell out.
So maybe this pump, it got dirty and it clogged up.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another weekend at home.
Hey, what's up everyone?
Alright, so last week we did the maintenance on the boat trailer tires. This weekend
That was a win.
Yeah, this weekend we were gonna go back and forth. We had a different project, but I'll save that for another time. But the Jeep actually took a dump on the way to Kevin's work. So
on Monday.
Yeah, so this is his daily. It's just a little putt car. We don't have, other than my car, this is his daily. So it took a dump. He was stranded. I ended up getting him a lift back to work, and then at the end of the day we called AAA to take it back home. It just died. Weird thing was that we took it back home and it started. We don't know why, but Kevin thinks it's the fuel pump. So we picked up a new fuel pump on the way home.
O'Reilly, yes. And it has a lifetime warranty.
Okay, lifetime warranty, yeah. So we picked up a new fuel pump. So what we're doing today is we're gonna drop the tank and get it all swapped out, because if you didn't know, or I didn't, the pump is in the fuel tank, because that's how it circulates, or whatever. That's how it cycles the fuel into your, yeah. So
basically the fuel pump's inside the tank with all the ascending units, and then there's a plug back there. So we just got to drop the fuel tank, loosen up the fuel neck, and then switch out these pumps right here.
And we have this to get some.
Yeah, so I gotta take all the fuel out, so that way the weight is not there.
Well, yeah,
it'll be a lot lighter.
Because you're going underneath there.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to probably use a jack, have you handle the jack while I just balance the fuel tank.
Yeah, so we're back on Project Jeep, guys. We weren't gonna get into the next project yet, but yeah, no, back to Project Jeep. A little playlist. We have a little playlist going on, just basic maintenance. Nothing too crazy. This is just kind of like our putt car.
Yeah, it's easy.
We've taken it to the desert a couple times. The dogs love it, and we plan on keeping it just to putt around. So yeah, let's so first things first is loosening up the cap.
Well, let's take the fuel out first.
Well, yeah, take the fuel out and loosen stuff up, and yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna get that all set up. Well, this pump does take some time, right? What do you think?
I don't feel it's siphoning anything.
No, it's not siphoning anything. Is there gas in it?
Yeah, there's probably a quarter tank. Oh well, we don't need this.
Alright, so nothing came out, so we're gonna scratch that. What if you're on empty? Well, the car started this morning.
Watch out for spiders.
Alright, so that cap is off. Next thing is that little fuel plug right there.
Okay.
It's gone.
Set that aside.
And then
Alright.
tank. Do you hear fuel in it?
Yeah, there should be fuel.
Alright, so let me set this down, and because I can't get under there, so I'm gonna have to set the camera down. Let me set this down and we'll get this dropped. All right, look like she's out.
That was way easier than I anticipated.
It wasn't. There's fuel in it. It wasn't too heavy, right?
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Right. So now you just gotta take this unit out, right? Is that correct?
Yes. So we're gonna be changing this fuel pump housing or whatever this. Assembly.
This is probably like the original too. Huh?
I would say so, because it doesn't look like it has ever been taken off.
Yeah. All right.
So it's gonna be a new fresh pump in there. Get it back and running, because the dually is not very very fun or ideal to drive on the daily.
It's reliable, just not.
Yeah. So
can't find parking. Can't.
I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up before we open it, so that way the debris doesn't get inside.
Oh yeah, you don't want that.
So let's go ahead and pull out the blower, clean it all up, wipe it down, and then we can tear into it.
All right. All right, nice and clean.
Okay.
Got fuel coming out of that?
Oh yeah. All right. Rexy, space please. Quite a ways, huh? Oh, there you go.
It's been a while since this. I mean, this has never been taken off. Like, so that.
You know, I was super worried about the rusted bolts.
Yeah.
That's why every time we work on this, it's kind of like, oh man, it's gonna come apart. But anyways, so the arrow, when we put it back, just make sure it comes between these two marks right here.
Yeah, there's a lot of like rust in various places because this Jeep. It came from Chicago or something.
Mm-hmm. You know how Chicago is, they use salt. Oh wow, there's a lot of fuel in here.
Yeah, so
It's like half a tank.
So the car was dying. So.
Oh shoot, oopsie.
Fuel all over the place.
There goes $5.
Oh, that's a lot of fuel. So it looks like it was just stuck in the pump, huh?
No, that's how it is.
Oh, okay.
Oh, oopsie. Oh.
You're getting stuff all over the place, dude.
Do you see that? Why is it that color?
It's probably just a dirty tank.
Oh, something fell.
Are your hands clean? Maybe that's the filter.
Oh.
So that's probably what fell out.
So maybe this pump, it got dirty and it clogged up.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't hurt to put a new one in.
I see.
So that's what happened.
This is why I like doing stuff myself, so that way I can actually inspect everything. Looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and take the fuel out.
All right, fuel's been pumped out. Everything's nice and clean. One more wipe.
Oh, it comes with a new O-ring.
Oh, sweet.
Or a gasket.
So that just came off. Here's a new one. Here's the new fuel pump. Old. I mean, the old one still worked, but that part fell off. Might as well swap it out. Lifetime warranty. Get a fresh one in here.
Yeah, and
that new one looks like.
O'Reilly
Look
too.
at that new one. The new filter looks pretty solid. Alright, hopefully Monday morning I don't get a call asking them to letting me know the Jeep died.
Fingers crossed. Hey, there's no promises.
Put that zip tie on.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So the orientation arrows right here. It's kind of hard to see the arrow, but you see it.
I can see it.
Okay. Sweet. Feels good.
The fuel line gets in there.
These things are kind of tricky to put on.
You gotta like press it down too.
I always have a hard time with these things. That's pretty solid. All right. Oh, I forgot the clip.
Oh, stealing the clip off the old one.
Just gotta be super careful.
Yeah, because plastic.
Delicate. Very brittle, I would expect, assume.
Alright, now it's time to lift her back up, huh? Everything looks good?
Oh,
Oh.
bounce. Alright.
Time to lift her back up.
Yes!
Well, now it's a lot lighter because there was like a ton of fuel in there.
Oh, let me take that clip out so we can place it back in.
Put you on a time lapse because you're just putting it back down, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Fuel tank's back up. Time to put back the fuel cap. Cover thingy on.
So I believe the long one was out here, right? Or
I don't know.
more like this on the inside. Alrighty.
And let's get some fuel in, right?
Yes.
Or will it flow? Does it flow better with this off, or does it? Oh, there's a little plug in there, right?
Well, I was gonna lift it and put it up there. Because the higher the elevation, the better it will be.
Or just maybe just the table. So,
It has to be
that's a lot.
above the...
Oh, there's a lot of fuel.
Well, maybe that'll work.
Yeah, because on top of it, it's just a little bit. Loosen up the air. Oh, there you go, I hear it. just gonna finish filling it up, and then so do you just crank it a couple times to pump
Yeah,
it?
so I think we gotta prime it. So just put in the start, or I mean ignition on.
Key on.
Key on, yeah, basically key on. Hey, I got schooled by Katie.
Well, didn't we change the fuel pump on the diesel, the 7.3? I don't know, we dropped it one time, I remember.
Oh yeah, because I did some modification inside the fuel tank.
Alright, so after we're pumping all this, we will come back and prime the Jeep. So check this out.
I got tired of pumping, and we're gonna just use gravity to our advantage.
So I can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Yeah, you can hear it. Hopefully the microphone picks that up. Yeah, that was a lot
I'm gonna
better.
go clean up.
Yeah, it's gonna be a while. Alright, looks like it's down to the last few drops. Alright, where are the Jeep keys?
Okay. I believe it's inside the car.
Alright, you want to key on and I'll see if I can hear.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard it. Ready?
Yep, I hear it. Yeah, I hear it, but Jay's snort is a little loud.
He's just trying to breathe, guys.
So all I hear is him in the back.
So I did about 6, 7 already.
If you're comfortable turning it on, maybe like go for 10, I don't know.
Yeah, that's 8, 9, 10. All right,
let's start
do
her up.
this. Any leaks?
Let me check. Well, looking good.
Let me pull forward a little bit.
It's not dying.
Yeah. When there's a will, there's a way.
Another project down. That's it, huh?
Another win.
Alright, well. Hey guys, that's it. That was our another maintenance checklist down. Well, I mean, unfortunate because he broke down, so it kind of just made its way into our plans.
It was pretty convenient breaking down, I would say.
Yeah, other than that, so yeah, just that's all we did this weekend was replace the fuel pump, and Kevin can go back on his daily.
Yes.
Other than that, guys, thanks for joining us this weekend.
Hey, hope you guys had a great weekend. We'll
Yes.
see you guys next week.
Bye, guys.